Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. As most of you know, if you're following me on Instagram, I'm a busy mom of 2 teenagers and a full-time job of running a home daycare. And when I'm not working on my full-time job, I am creating content for 3 of my channels. Lately, I have been falling back with my daily cleaning routines, and on top of everything, this week we have been doing major basement and garage declutter and organization. We've even rented a huge bin for our driveway for a week so we can get things done. So needless to say, my upstairs was looking a little disgusting. So today I will be cleaning my bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, as well as putting some laundry away. I would like to get some floors done too, but I only have about 2 hours to do this, so I won't be vacuuming my room and hallway at this time. And if you are new and like videos like this, make sure you are subscribed and that notification bell is on so you don't miss out any of my new uploads. So I started with changing my sheets. It's Sunday. I tend to change my sheets every Sunday. And I love how the fresh smell of new sheets smells.
You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine.
I had tons of laundry that needed to be put away, so I am just gathering it. I had some in the playpen because I had brought it in the night before, but didn't get to it, so I just threw it in the playpen, because if I don't throw it away from my dog, he will snuggle and drool all over the clean laundry. And there was tons to fold and put away. I do my laundry once a week. Once a day, usually in the mornings, and then my kids empty the laundry at some point during the day. This was the weekend, and they work on the weekend, so it's always up to me to do this. We have been kind of getting used to our new routines. I know it's already mid-October, but my son started university and it's all online from home. So he's busy during the day, and my daughter goes to school, I think, every third week for 5 days, which is ridiculous in my opinion, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And having everybody at home, you would think that the home would be cleaner with teenagers, and my husband works from home and I work from home, but I think we're just slobs, and the house has been an utter mess constantly. So here I just wanted to show you how my husband hangs up his clothes in a closet. Once I was finished with cleaning my bedroom, tidying up, I wasn't dusting it, I was just cleaning it. I was fully cleaning the bathroom though. I moved on to my master bathroom. If you haven't seen over on my DIY channel, I have just over in July, I had completely redid the bathroom on the budget. I painted the cabinets, I framed the mirror to make it more barn board style, added some new lights, shelves. I will link up the video in the eye in the sky if you're interested to see the transformation. And I also have a full tutorial on how I painted the cabinets and the products that I used and all that kind of stuff, so I will link that one as well. And just to report, because I know some people have been asking me over on that video how the cabinets have held up, and I have absolutely zero complaints. So far so good. I cleaned them just the same way as I cleaned the other ones, and it's all, they're just completely fine. My dog sleeps in our master ensuite because he's hot anywhere else, and he likes to sleep on the tiles and likes to be close to us. He's only 8 months, so he's in there constantly, and I don't see any scratches or anything like that. So I love my stick vacuum. This is V6 Dyson, and kids have dropped it and cracked it, and so I had taped it up all together. I think I need to buy a new body, but they constantly complain that it doesn't suck. So I looked at it to see what was wrong. It was so clogged in just in the top part of it, and no wonder it wasn't sucking. I can't believe that they didn't see how clogged it was when they were emptying it. Once I was finished with my bedroom, my master bathroom, I moved on to laundry. Do you see that pile of towels? That is a third load of towels that I'm doing that week. We don't go anywhere. We all work from home. We should not have this many towels on the go all the time. However, my kids do work. They're lifeguards, but that's about it. Like I said, they don't tend to go to school on a regular basis. Do you have many different laundry routines? My husband always laughs at me because I have like 3 or 4 different laundry detergents that I use for different things. Let me know down in comments if you have different laundry detergents that you use on different things, and if you would like me to share my laundry routines with you. I hope you all enjoyed this motivational video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up so that way I know that you did. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted.